Today, Tiana and Rapunzel are going to be making some gummies with the Poppin' Cookin' Kawaii Gummy Land set. Ooh, this looks like so much fun. Tiana, help me turn it around. Okay, let's see what we're going to need. Girls, I think you're going to need a little bit of water to start with. Oh, yes, it does say water. I'll go grab the water for us. Okay, Tiana, hurry back. I can't wait. This looks like so much fun. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back, Rapunzel. Look at this pretty jasmine cup I found. Ooh, that is pretty. Great choice. Okay, girls, are you ready to start making some gummies?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, why don't you two go sit down and we'll open up the box and get started.
Oh, yeah, awesome.
Let's open the box up and see what we got. Ooh, I want to make a car. Yeah, a blue one? A blue car. Okay, girls, let's see what we have in here. So these gummies are going to be lemon, grape, and soda flavored. Hey, girls, want to hear a quick joke? Sure. Okay, what is a robot's favorite candy? I'm not sure. Wally Pops. Get it? Wally Pops.
Oh, that's a good one.
The first thing we have here are our different candy-shaped molds. Now that's where we're going to pour the candy into in order to make it that shape. And look, there's our fork for mixing too. Ooh, those are really cool shapes, don't you think, Tiana? Yeah, I love those. This is going to be so fun. The first thing we have is some gummy candy powder. And then we have this fold-out picture of a little town, and we can go ahead and put our gummies on there after to create a little picture. Next, we have some different colored powders. We're going to mix these with water so we can add some color to our gummies. First is red, and then blue, and also yellow. Now we can also mix these together so that we can create other colors like purple, orange, and blue. And don't forget the most important tool, the water dropper. The first thing that we're going to do is fill up these little compartments so that we can mix in the colored powder. Ooh, can you make some purple? My favorite color is purple. Yes, Rapunzel, we're going to make some purple, don't worry. Let's pour in the yellow first. Ooh, that looks cool. And we'll pop out the fork so we can give it a little stir. Make sure it's mixed evenly. The next color we're gonna do is, how about some red next? Yeah, let's pour in the red. And we gotta make sure we stir this one too. Don't forget to stir it. And the last powder we're gonna put in is the blue. And stir this one as well. Now that we've got all our primary colors made, we're gonna go ahead and take our water dropper to mix some colors and make new ones. Do you know what yellow plus red equals? It makes orange. Okay, and how about yellow plus blue? It's green. And the next color we're gonna do is red plus blue, which makes purple. Now let's take a little blue and yellow and red. And what do we get? We get brown. Now we need to open up the gummy powder. And we're gonna go ahead and pour it in this big space right here on the tray. We need to make sure it's nice and even, so we're gonna take our fork and smooth it out a little so our gummies don't end up funny shapes and sizes. Time to pop out the shapes. We've got an airplane, a cloud, a shooting star, and of course, a car. Ooh, yay, I wanted a blue car. I want a pink car. All right, let's do a car first. How about we'll go with blue?
Oh, yeah.
We need to make sure we fill in the whole thing. Now I'm just gonna do blue this time, but we can also use more than one color if we'd like for our gummies.
Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Yeah, is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? Yeah, is it ready yet?
You know what? I think it is. Let's pull it out and take a look. We have a blue car. Pop it out the back. And look at that. We have our first gummy. We need to make sure we smooth out the powder again so we can make some more tasty gummies. All right, let's try a shooting star this time. Let's use some yellow for the star and some purple for the tail. Purple and yellow, those are my favorite colors. I know, Rapunzel. This one's just for you. Now we need to let it dry for a minute. I think it's ready. Let's see. It is. Ooh, look at that gummy. That's pretty. Let's pop it out. Here you go, Rapunzel, just for you. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Now, Tiana, what would you like?
I want an airplane.
Okay, we can do an airplane. And let's do a cloud too. Let's make our airplane green like your dress, Tiana.
Oh, yeah, my dress is so green and pretty.
And let's put a little red in there too, just to add some more color. We haven't used any orange yet. I know it's a cloud, but let's make it orange anyways. Okay, time to let them dry. And it looks like they're ready. Let's take them out. We have our green and red airplane ready for you, Tiana. Ooh, thank you. It's so pretty. And we have our orange cloud. Pop it out. There we go. That's all 4 shapes that this came with. But let's make one more. Let's try a pink car. To get pink, we're just going to use some red with a little bit of extra water, and that'll make it pink. Okay, and it's ready. Oh, it got stuck in the powder. Looks like we didn't let that one sit long enough, so it's a little funny shaped.
Oh, one more, please.
Okay, girls, one last one. Let's do another shooting star. Let's try using some orange for the star. And what color should we do for the tail? Rapunzel, what do you think? How about blue? How about blue? Okay, let's go with blue. A blue tail on our star. There it is. Now let's just let it dry. And it's ready. Pop it out. And there's our orange and blue shooting star gummy. Okay, I think that's about it today. Look at those gummies we made. Ooh, that was so much fun. Yeah, that was. You know what time it is now, Tiana? What time is it? It's time to eat the gummies. Yay! I completely forgot about that part. This is the best part. Okay, well, we're going to go eat those gummies, and we'll see you next time here in Kaya's room. All right, thanks for joining us. Bye!